Begin the work by making a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The ring is ready. Now begin the first round. Make a chain to bring up the yarn and single crochet into the ring. Then 2 chains for the chain space. Make 2 single crochet into the ring. 1 and 2. 2 chains and 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. 2 chains and 2 single crochet into the ring. 1 and 2. 2 chains and 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. Chain of 2. Make single crochet into the ring. Let's count how many them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make single crochet into the ring more. 2 chains. It will be the 6th chain space. Now single crochet into the ring. To complete this row, work with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Skip the chain stitch at the beginning. Insert the hook into the single crochet by working with a slip stitch. First round is done. We have made 6 chain spaces for popcorn stitches. For the next row, we need to join other color of yarn. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch of the chain space and make a slip stitch of other color of yarn. This yarn I don't cut off because I will work with it later. Begin round 2. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Now make a popcorn stitch. For this, make 6 double crochet into the chain space. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Remove the hook, insert it into the 3rd chain stitch at the beginning. Here is this 3rd chain stitch. Take the working loop, pull it through like this to complete the popcorn stitch. The popcorn stitch is ready. Now a chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue crochet popcorn stitch into the next chain space. I chained the last one. To complete the round, work with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain stitch at the beginning of this round. I finished the first popcorn in this stitch. Now insert the hook into this 3rd stitch. Take the working yarn, pull it through by making a slip stitch. I'm making a slip stitch of red color of yarn. I don't cut off a pink color of yarn. I will work with it soon, and we continue the work. Begin round 3. It will be a round of petals. For this, work into the chain space. Make single crochet. Continue half double crochet into the same chain space. 5 double crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half double crochet, single crochet into the same chain space. The first petal is ready. I skip a chain stitch at the beginning. Insert the hook into the first single crochet. Take the working yarn, pull it through by making a slip stitch. We have got a simple flower that you can use as an embellishment, and we continue the work. Make a chain, then single crochet into the stitch that we have just started round from. Then I will make half double crochet with seed beads. You can make half double crochet without seed beads, and as a result you will get such simple flower with 6 petals. Continue. Draw seed beads. Then yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook to finish half double crochet with seed bead. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Make the 5th one into the same stitch. 6, 7 and 8. We have just done 8 beaded half double crochet, then single crochet into the single crochet of the previous round, the first petal is ready. Continue. I am about to complete this round. After we made single crochet into the single crochet of the previous round, skip the chain stitch on the beginning of this round and make a slip stitch into the first single crochet to finish this round. The flower is ready. I have already cut off the yarn. We have got a cute 6-petal flower made of 3 rounds only. Thanks for watching.